Thanks for checking out the forward rate video from MathCelebrity.com. I'm Don Sevcik, founder of Math Celebrity, and I'm going to walk you through in the next 2 minutes how to identify and calculate a forward rate finance and math problem. So let's get started. For forward rates, they're going to give you something where they want to know the expectation of a forward rate in the future. And so what it is that it's an expectation of future bond rates. It takes a zero coupon bond yield rate and it's going to run that from time 0 to time t1. Then it's going to take another zero coupon bond yield rate from time t1 to t2. And what it's going to ask you to do is calculate the forward rate, which I'll show you how to get to in a moment, but this is a ratio. So the key word for these problems is, what is the forward rate? You're going to be given 2 times and then 2 yield rates. So the forward rate formula takes T1 and then R1, which is the yield rate from time T0 to T1. Then at time T2, they're going to give a yield rate R2 from time T1 to T2. And here is the formula. We're going to do 1 plus R2 raised to the T2 divided by 1 plus R1 raised to the T1. The trick here is matching up the subscript and superscript. So 2 goes with 2, 1 goes with 1, and 2 always goes on top. So you're going to take your latest yield rate in time divided by your earliest yield rate in time. And we're doing 1 plus and 1 plus. And then at the end, you're going to convert this to a percentage, which is just subtracting 1 and multiplying by 100. So that is it. Now, if you ever need help with these problems and you either forget that formula or you just want to see the problem worked out, I'm going to attach a link in the description for this video. This is our calculator, and I'll take you to that right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to enter your time 1, your time 2, your yield rate from T0 to T1, and your yield rate from T0 or T1 to T2. And key here is percentage. So if they give you 8%, type in 8. Don't type in 0.08. And we'll go ahead and click calculate forward rate. And it's going to walk you through the formula I just showed you on the presentation and plug and chug with the numbers. So it's 1.08, right? Raised to the 5th power, which is time 2. That's the latest time. Then it should be on the bottom 1.03 raised to the 2nd power, which is time 1. We're going to evaluate, simplify, and we get this number here. We need to subtract 1 to get a decimal percentage, and we multiply that by 100 to get a percentage format. So in this case, the forward rate is 38.5%, and that is it. So anytime you have trouble with these or want to learn more, just hit this calculator link, which I will put in the YouTube description. So once again, thanks for spending time with me today, and I will see you in the next video.